I just wanted to show you this video of the knife you got me. I've put tape on it so it's not sharp, obviously, and I just wanted to show you how I'm doing with it so far. It's 7:53, March 15th. I got the knife about 5 hours ago, I guess, and I just wanted to show you how I'm doing. So far I've learned how to open and close it. So here's how you open it. Wait, hang on. Okay. Opened. Closed. Opened. Closed. So yeah. Well, here, I'll just show it to you slower, just so you can see what I'm doing. So there's two sides of the blade, sharp side, dull side. The sharp side has the handle, so you start by holding the dull side and you flip it out like this, and then you put your thumb here, like right there, flip it back so that the dull side falls back on your hand, and then you open up your hands so you're holding it like this, and you flip it out and grip it. That's how you open it. And then to close it, you just do the same thing in reverse. You open it, flip it back, close your knuckles, flip it on your knuckles, move your thumb away, and shut it. So yeah, thanks for the birthday present. I really appreciate it. So just want to say thanks.